Jake and Pip, week 6. We've got some birds. We're going to start out with the duck, and then we're going to progress from there. Are you ready? Fetch. Good girl. Come. Good. Thank you. Come. Fetch. Let's go. Good girl. Come. Thank you. Good dog. Next up, we have the chucker.
Thawed chucker.
Thawed chucker. Good girl. Wait. Fetch. Come. Thank you. Good girl. Fetch. Come. Hold. Good girl. Thank you. Come on. Let's go get it. Fetch. Fetch.
Trying to avoid that tape.
Good dog. Good girl. Thank you.
Next item.
What do we have next, girl?
I believe we have a fresh kill pigeon.
Good girl. Wait. Shh. Wait. Fetch. Here. Good girl. Good. Thank you. Fetch. Come. Fetch. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. Come on. Fetch. Come. Yep, come. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. Good dog. What do we got now?
All right, next we have a frozen duck,
Good girl.
which is located conveniently here.
Thank you, baby. Okay, good girl. Fetch. It's heavy, isn't it? Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. Come. Fetch.
Good girl.
Hold. Good dog. Hold.
It's not very convincing, Pip.
Hold. Good mouth manners. Yes. Good dog. Good dog. Thank you. Come on, Pip. Fetch. Nope. Fetch. Come. Good girl. Good dog. Thank you. Come on, girl. Fetch. Come. Thank you. Fetch. Come. Good girl. Good girl.
Have you used any pressure this round?
Nope. Maybe a couple taps on the first chucker.
Okay, got it.
Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Thank you. All right.
All right.
All right.